Ready to have your mind blown by the wonders of nature? Let's dive right in and discover some unbelievable animal facts. Did you know a tiger's roar is so powerful, it can actually paralyze its prey with fear? Parrotfish sleep in a bubble of their own slime to hide from hungry nighttime predators. Male giraffes? They headbutt females in the bladder, to check if she's ready to mate. Pause, quick. Butterflies taste with their feet. And a single honeybee makes just 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its entire life. Some squids glow in the dark, thanks to special bacteria in their bodies. Hippos sweat pink, and it actually works like sunscreen. Ravens can solve puzzles as well as 5-year-old kids. Dogs can sniff out your feelings, sadness, fear, and happiness. And the immortal jellyfish? It can actually reverse its own aging process. Still think animals are boring? Follow us for more proof that nature is way cooler than fiction.